Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem which is alternately. So first of all we have to read our question because it's a question of encoder context. So there is a row and people they are described by a string s of length, and this I person from the front is small male if the ith character of S is M and female it is F. Determine whether then the man and woman are alternating. It is said that the man and woman are alternating if and only if there is no position where two men or women two women are adjacent. So we have to have a look in our examples. So in the example you can see in the input you can see first line and integer. The input is given from standard following format. The output is said print yes the man and the woman are alternating and no otherwise. So sample in first sample you can see 6 mf. So the output is yes. In the second you can see fm fm. It's the output is no. And then in the last sample input 3 you can see 1, and in the second line f, and the output is yes. So we have to go repeat. So we don't use repeat here, we use our IDE. So here we have to write first of all input java.util.star. So then we have to take a class. So we take a class name main class and we write public class main, and after that we have to write psbm or public static void main, and then string arguments. And after that we have to take a integer. We know that we have to take input from our user. So we need a scanner class. So we write scanner class here. So we write scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in, and after that we have to take input from our user, which is, so we write int n is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to take a input from our user. So we have to write a string. We have to write a string str is equal to sc dot next, and after that we have to run a loop. So here we run a loop which is for loop, and there we take another, here we take another variable which is I, and the data type should be integer type. So we write int I is equal to 0. Here we initialize I by 0. So we write int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. After that write second bracket, and then here we write if str dot char I is equal to str dot char I is equal to str dot char I plus 1, then we write second bracket, and here we have to write, and here we have to write another line, which is if character dot I state dot character I will do state dot character I plus 1, we have to write the EI statement, output statement, which is system dot out dot println, and into the bracket we write and into the bracket we write no, and we close our bracket and then semicolon, and we write a else loop. So and then we write return. Here I made a mistake, I didn't write return appropriately, so then we again we copy the output statement, and then we write else loop and paste here. And sorry, we don't need else loop. Here we write yes, paste the output statement, and into the bracket we write yes, and then we press into the submit button. But here it's not accepted for because the wrong spelling of return. So here we again go to we copy our code, this code, and then we go our tags, and after that we go to our a question A, and then we paste here again. After that we uh, correct our return, and then write return, and then we again press into the submit button. In this time you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you can understand this. If you like this, if you understand, like this video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.